Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial I will show you how you can enable picture in picture on Messenger. It's super easy to do. I can show you how you can do it. Open up your phone settings on iPhone. So you will see over here, go to generals, and then you have to scroll down until you see this picture in picture. Click on that and then turn this option on to use picture in picture on Messenger. So whenever you turn this on, you have to simply go back and go to background app refreshment, and you will see over here a bunch of options over here, or like your apps over here that is installed in your phone. So you have to simply search for the Messenger and check it out, it's turn on or off. So if you can scroll down, you will see there your Messenger. As you can see over here, Messenger is turned on. So if this is turned off, you have to simply click on this toggle to turn this on. So whenever you come back to your Messenger and chat with your friends, and the notification will pop up on the screen, and you can simply do is click on that pop-up and then chat with your friends and family members on Messenger, like picture in picture message is on Messenger. And that's it. That's how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.